Hey guys, Brad here at West Coast Safes. We get a lot of questions about electronic locks, particularly how to change the batteries. Very simple on most of them. We have some Securam products, Sargeant and Greenleaf, and a LaGard Kaba Mas products. On the Securam products, like the toplet, you rotate the bezel counterclockwise and push your 9-volt battery through. On the backlit, you'll have a latch down at the bottom, exposes your 9-volt. That'll be the same as on the L01. On a Sargeant and Greenleaf Titan D drive, we're going to pull this little pin here forward. It'll Z channel out to you, and that'll expose your 9-volt battery right here in the top. On your rotary bolt single battery S&G products, trap door here at the bottom, very easy to take out and change. On a LaGard or a Kaba product, you have this lock is mounted on 2 posts. You're going to pull up, turn the faceplate over, and that will reveal your 9-volt battery.